Hi guys, my name is Charles Gray and I'm here today with REYU, showcasing the styling collection. So we're here today with my model James and we're going to be showcasing the paste, which gives a really beautiful medium hold, allowing me to work very naturally and organically with their medium to thick density of hair, giving off a really beautiful natural finish, really enhancing the movement and wearability of the hairstyle. So we're going to be focusing on the application of the product now, where we're going to be putting it into the damp hair. Now the thing that I love most about this paste is that it's gender neutral and it has a really beautiful woody smell to it. So it can really be very versatile in terms of the type of hair, the length of hair, and who it goes onto, which is really, really nice. Now we don't need to use lots of this product as it goes very far in terms of the application. So what we need to focus on is the distribution throughout the product into our hands before we even apply it into the hair. This is a really nice tip to work through when working with these natural products. Really distribute the product through the hands and then we can start applying the product into the hair where we really want to get that maximum distribution throughout most of the top and through into the sides on this hairstyle. So with the application of the paste, we really want to make sure that we're getting that even distribution all the way through from the roots to the mid-lengths and into the ends, working with my fingertips and also the palm of my hands, applying a small bit of pressure. The beautiful thing about the product is that on the back of the packaging, we have an easy to follow process, which really breaks down the hold factor, shine factor, and direction of application for the client. Now the product has been applied completely, we can move on to the drying process with our hairdryer and brush and work with a medium speed on a low heat and get nice and controlled close to the head shape with the brush to get a smooth finish. Now that we've finished the drying process, we can see that we have this really beautiful, smooth finish on the hair. A really nice way to enhance the style will be to add a little bit more paste into the hair to just add some moisture and add some more strength into the styling. So we're going to be using 1 finger amount, work that into the hands again to distribute it through the hair, as we don't want to overload too much product in one area of the haircut. And now we're going to solely focus on working just through the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, just to enhance a little bit more shine and also add a little bit more volume through the fringe area of the haircut, working with some flatness through the sides of the hair and just really starting to mold and control the hair into the style so we have that really beautiful finish. Now the thing that I love most about REYU is that it's for professional salons only, so it allows you to bring your brand to life and take control of your products, meaning that you won't have any competition from online retail. With REYU, there's a clear focus on the packaging where it's completely sustainable. The packaging is made entirely from glass and aluminium, which is infinitely recyclable. And to add to the sustainability, all of the products are made in the UK. So having your own brand allows you to create independence and gives you the freedom to set your own pricing and maximize profits. As we can see from the finished look on James's hairstyle, that the paste has given me everything that I need to achieve with the styling. It's increased the volume through the top, it's added moisture, we can see the movement in the hair now, and we have this really beautiful classic look. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching me create this look with REYU Paste today. See you soon.